Shown to help manage blood sugar levels and contains high-quality protein to help manage hunger and support muscle health. Try Boost today. For all of us who weren't born yesterday, there's Consumer Cellular, where you can get exceptional value like talk, text, and data for only $20. Who can take you to the store? AARP members get exclusive discounts. Consumer Cellular. Switch today. Hey, who to the store? What can I do with less asthma? Dupixent. I can do more beginner's yoga. Namaste. Surprise party. Oh, you guys. Dupixent helps prevent asthma attacks. So I can do more things I love.
I'm sneaking on my grandpa.
Add-on treatment for specific types of moderate to severe asthma that can improve lung function, better breathing in as little as 2 weeks, and can reduce or even eliminate oral steroids.
I think my grandpa just saw me. I was sneaking on him and I started coughing.
Tell your doctor if you have a parasitic infection and don't change or stop your asthma treatments, including steroids, without talking to your doctor. Are you ready to do more?
Girl, you ready to go? Where is mom at?
Just ask your asthma specialist.
This is the time you need it.
We got top 4 answers on the board. We asked 100 married women. Name a specific place you never want to find another woman's panties.
In your bed.
In your bed.